Is it just me, or there's something different with the Christmas vibes here in the Philippines? Um, Wait. Dati yung Pasko, laging exciting kasi mamamaso kami. Ngayon, versus ngayon, kailangan pa mag-isip kung sino yung sasama, sino yung itutuloy ba natin, wag na lang. Alam mo yun? Sorry, I placed something on my face. It's not modacals, okay? I prepared candies. And walang namamasko. Like yun, sa dati ba? All the houses had lights. With singing lights pa. Pag kumakanta yung series mo, mayaman ka na. Pag mas marami kang candy, lalo na pag nagkaroon ka ng piso, 5, masaya ka na. Ngayon, parang bigyan ka ng 5, kulang pa. Hindi ko maintindihan ano nangyari. Parang I, I don't feel it's Christmas. I don't feel it. Iba sa dati. Naalala ko pa yung mga news dati na lahat ng mga series na walang ICC sticker kinokolekta. Tama ba? ICC ba yun? I don't know. Para pag wala silang safety sticker, kinokolekta, kinokompis ka. Ngayon halos wala nang bumili ng series. Naalala ko pa na hindi ako mahilig pumunta sa mga ninong-ninang ko, pero may ninong and ninangs will come to the house. Akain sila dun sa bahay. And then, bibigyan ako ng arep, tapos tapos hihingin sa akin ni mama o kaya ni papa, tapos hindi babalik sa akin. Naalala ko pala, ako yung ginagawang singer sa pangangaroling. I prepared candies, but no one that was coming. Something's happening. Something's going on. The malls are quiet. The toy section, silence. Hindi na katulad dati na yung mga laruan, dinudumog. Ngayon, wala na. I'm sorry if I'm crying. It's just that may hypersensitivity kasi ako. So, parang palungkot ng palungkot yung nangyayari. Hindi ko alam. Is it just me or what? I don't know. Parang, this is depressing kasi I want my kids to experience the Christmas excitement that we felt back then. I don't feel it anymore. I don't know how to. Mga parol, wala na sa streets. October pa lang, may mga parol na sa lahat ng barangay. Ngayon, iilang barangay na lang, iilang mga towns na lang yung nagpa-participate sa mga ganun, yung mga best in parol, best in Christmas tree. Iilan na lang. Christmas bonus. I don't know. Family reunions are getting less more or less. Before, when it's Christmas, there were big family reunions. That's when we get to know our cousins from this lolo, our cousins from this lola. But now, why is everyone so cold? Why is everyone adamant? Dati nagpapaprint na kami ng mga t-shirt na pare-parehas kami. Ngayon wala na. Mas okay na mag-isa. Hindi ko alam. There's something wrong. I don't feel Christmassy myself. Noche Buena is many days. It's going to be 5 days na lang. Pero 5 days, I don't know. I lost track. Before, we look forward to it, but now it's like after we eat, let's sleep. That kind of stuff. We don't even have budget for the gifts anymore. What is happening? What is happening? Maybe other people don't feel it because they have enough, but us, most of us here in the Philippines, we feel it. I feel it so much that it hurts. Before, I was able to pack gifts for my inaalak. Man. Before, I was able to give money gifts, but now I don't know what's happening. Before, yung palengke, puro-puro ng tao. Kahit October pa lang, marami nag-online selling. October pa lang, puno na yung mall. October pa lang. Puno na yung mga establishments. October pa lang, pero now, it's like a ghost town everywhere you go. May something's going on. My Christmas, most memorable Christmas, probably died 2009. It's not the same. I'm telling you, it's not the same. It's not the same. It's not the same. We don't even have new clothes for the kids. Just like before, but dati I have clothes for everyone, but now I don't have anything for everyone. It's not the same anymore. Is it just me or what? No more Christmas parties. If meron man, mas lalo siyang tinipid. Unlike in 2000s, year 2000s, the exchange gifts were, wow, rice cooker, plancha. Now, exchange gifts are plastic stuff. I don't get it. There's something wrong with our economy. You're turning a blind eye to it. I hate it. I don't want this. I don't like this. feeling. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I bought one picture of Tahoe. It's just nostalgic. Guys, I think we never left 90s, 2000s. I don't know. I apologize for crying, but I don't apologize for the words I said, for everything I've said. My point here is some traditions are dying. There are toxic traditions here in the Philippines, but there are also traditions that we need to protect because that what makes us Filipinos. I know not everyone is a Christian, and yeah, but this tradition of Christmas vibes has been with us for so long. We need to preserve this, okay? Because it's for our kids, it's for the future. This is the only time where we are all happy. This is the only time where we are actually excited. The most exciting days, month of the year for us. And it should be for the kids as well. This is going to be my kids' breakfast. So it's taho, worth 100 only, but it's worth it. Because I'm gonna drink as well. But it's worth it. I'm gonna remind them that this is one of our traditions. Please stop being so very westernized or whatever is that. Western is okay, but not too much of it. That to the extent that you will forget the feels. Let them feel what we felt before, the happy things, the core memories. Yeah, I don't want to. I don't want to cry again. But yeah, go get them taho. Go get them balut. Let them experience a happy Christmas, the traditional one.